What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys already know my name is Jerry, and this video gonna be on changing my pressure relief valve. Some of you guys know on my Instagram, something's wrong with my car. It loses pressure and it will cut off. So a lot of people said it was my pressure relief valve is failing, and I know I turned my car on, well, put it on position, and the high pressure part was low. It's like sitting at 33 when it's supposed to sit like at 60 or 70. So I'm gonna replace that and show you guys going through. I'm not gonna really talk that much. I'm just gonna start taking things off because probably really ain't gonna see anything anyways, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Let's get to the video. Let's go. Alright guys, this is a gasket for my PCV plate. What you guys know, on Instagram I have the Damien PCV plate. I got a new gasket for that, and I got the new PVC. But that's gonna be another video. I just ordered those two things with the high pressure relief valve. Got this thing right here. Got the Edge Auto Sport. Well, I got everything on Edge Auto Sport. But these two is gonna be another video of me installing the catch can in the plate. So let's get to the video. You guys can see there's the line for fuel that goes next to the pressure relief valve. Excuse me. So what you want to do is the same connector as the one up top, the yellow one. So you're going to get your flathead. Well, excuse me, get the flathead and get that off and pop the connector off. So I'm trying to find a rag right quick and get a rag and get it going, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so that's what I got right now. Paper towels. So yeah, and then like I said, I should build once the clip is already out. You guys seen the video, I pushed it up, so now it should just come out now. So we're trying to grab it. Just gonna grab it in hand. Oh, I have it loose. It's loose. What I did was I got 17 and I went between the little small holes you see. See? In between the small holes and the big holes, and I just went over like this, then be careful while you're doing this. You don't want to grip, put too much pressure on your support. I just went over it, went up a little bit, and then went over it, and I went down a few times and loosened it, but I went down a few times, then got my finger together right here, and you just turn it by hand. And that's it. So I'm gonna let me see if I can get it out. Well, I'm trying to get it. I get it out, then I get back to you guys because I don't want it to fall and maybe get behind where it's, so there's like a hole behind it. I can't tell, but so got it out. It is right here. And here is the new one, right here. But yeah, this is it. It doesn't come with a new crush washer or the little seal, or not seal, but little washer. So I'm gonna just transfer the old one to this one. So as you guys know, I got the Sport E85 rebuild kit for my high pressure pump. I already already installed it, but I already had that video. Done. Just had to edit it. And yeah, show you guys. But in the kit, it comes with this fill feed and PRV filters, pressure relief valve. So one goes to here, from here, inside here, and the other one goes to your high pressure pump. But to get it out, a screw, because there's like a plastic filters in here, and this is like steel metal. So what you want to do is get the screw that comes with the kit from the Quartz Sport, and you want to do this. Flathead. You screw it in like this. Alright, so I got it out. See, filter plastic with the ring. So now you get your E85 safe one. See, look, see the difference? It's metal, and this one is the old one. Well, this is pretty much brand new, but see, it's like plastic. So if you have E85, this will dissolve over time. So you get the new, you have the metal one, lasts longer. So what you do is you turn it, see, put it in upside down like this. See, it fits perfect. And then what you do is you go on a flat surface. This out the way. Flat surface. And you just press down. Now this is ready to install. Alright guys, what you can see, I have the new one on, and oh my god, it's a pain in the butt to try to screw it in. You have no room. So what I did, I put my this hand right here, I went under like this, under both. I went under both of the lines and had the. Use this hand to keep it up, like steady it into the hole. I use my other hand to kind of twist it. So I was twisting this finger and doing my other hand, twisting it to it. I got thread, and once you get it twisted, and then I just went like this. Put my hand back like this, and just start twisting all the way in. And once it went all the way to I couldn't turn my finger, I got my 17 and grabbed it in between like this, went like that, and I just went as far as I can. What you can but yeah, see. Well, it's already up, that's why. So when it's maxed out, and I flipped it over like this to kind of get like a little bit of grab on it, and it went up again a little bit. Then when I turn it back like this, I got a better grip, like more up, like down like this, and I just tightened it all the way up till I couldn't. So I got it real tight. That's what I did. That's how I put it on. So now I'm gonna put everything back on. So I'll set you guys up. I'm gonna put everything back on and let's give it a go. All right, so I have everything on. So now just go reverse, put everything back on. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just put everything back on, and yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a little time lapse, and yeah, put everything back. Alright guys, I am back. Everything's all connected. Batteries in, intake in, everything. Make sure it's loose. I mean, I tighten everything, but you want to check over it and everything, make sure everything's good. Everything's good. So now, my problem, what I was having for my car is one day I just came home from work and when I opened the garage to park my car in the garage, got back in, and right when I put the gas, my car stalled. I thought maybe I stalled the car, so when I tried starting it, then it was having a longer crank to start, and it just kept losing pressure, dying. Like I said, a few people said it could be my pressure relief valve, so that's what I changed. And like I said, when I put it on the arm position, my pressure is at only like 33, when what I was told by a lot of people, it's supposed to sit at 60 to 70. So we're gonna see right now and see what happens. But yeah, everything's on. And so let's try it out and see what happens. Alright, so we're in the car. Sorry, it's kind of dirty right now. Car's been sitting, so I need to clean it. Alright, so let's see. So on position. Back to support. Come on. So now, see, now it's lower. It's at 22. Let's see. Sorry about that. I didn't put it back in neutral when I was moving it. So let's start it again. You guys didn't see that. That's the cold start. Probably been on for a while. If that fixed the problem, like the pressure was higher now. Maybe, like I said, it was probably because well, see, look, mine used to idle. Well, it looks like it's going down. The camera will focus. But yeah, my car, like I said, when I did that, when it was pressure in it, you know, and I just turned on position, the pressure would sit at 33 with the car being off. I was told that's how you test it. You just turn it on position, and if it idles at, or if it sits at 30, like under 60 to 70, then it's bad. Your high pressure, a pressure relief valve is bad. And like I said, mine was at 33. People told me they're supposed to sit at 60 to 70. So what you see, it was at 22, but I'm thinking it was like that because I let the pressure, you know, unplug the lines, and some gas came out and stuff like that, and let the pressure out. Maybe it was because of that. But right now, the car is not stalling out. But I noticed when my car it's cooled down, it have a longer crank. Then it will start, but then it wasn't dying. But until then, that's how you change out your pressure relief valve. That's the way I did. That's the way you can do it without taking the coolant lines off. You can just do it right there, but just taking it off is going to be a pain to take it off. Just letting you guys know that right now. But if you don't want to deal with that, you can take the lines off. Be more easier for you. Like I said, I have another video for you guys for the Court Sport rebuild kit for the E85 Court Sport. I already did that. I already installed that and did all that. I already got that video. I just have to edit and finish it, editing and everything, and I have that out for you guys. I have got, like I said on Instagram, and like I said earlier, I have the Damien catch can and the Damien PCV plate. So I'll have those videos will be coming to you guys soon. I'm probably do it on the weekend, because what I'm going to do is because I have a misfire too on cylinder 1, and I know it's not the spark plug, I know it's like coils, because I switch them around. The spark plugs around, put the spark plug at 3, coil pack at 4, and it's still getting the misfire. It doesn't do the misfire all the time, sometimes. So I'm hoping it's the injector. I already ordered one injector. Yes, I ordered one injector because I want to see before I just buy all 4 of them. But I got the injector. This should get it Thursday. And the intake seal or gasket, so we'll take that stuff off. So you want to get some new seals and stuff. But I got the injector coming. I got some new relays coming for the fill pump and stuff like that. I just want to get it new, just to don't have to worry about it no more. But while I'm doing that, taking the intake off into the filters, that's when I'm going to do the PCV plate from Damien and the catch can. So I have all that stuff for you guys in the video of taking everything off and changing it out. But till then, thanks for watching. Like I said, videos coming to you guys soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this video. And two, if you guys think any other suggestions what my car was doing, just put it down the bottom below and let me know. But till then, later, peace.